In this demo, we will demonstrate you several additional Glare features, how to set external location to blobs, work with tags, set links to other artifacts, and work with folders. A bit of theory. Glare differentiates blob locations to external and internal. It indicates if the blob was created during file upload or by direct user add location request. In other words, external means that blob's URL is just a reference to some external file, and Glare does not manage the blob operation in that case. Another difference is how Glare downloads data from external and internal locations. For internal, it uses own resources and return data from local store. But for external, it just redirects user requests to some other resource. As usual, for this demo, we will use alias. Alias Glare equals OpenStack artifact. For this demo, we will create an empty image with the name myImage. Let's do it. Setting the link is done in the same manner, like you do it for uploading. Since checksums are not calculated for external locations, you have to define at least MD5 manually. Optionally, you may also specify SHA1 and SHA256 checksums as well. Here we added an external location that references to Zero's image. Note: Glare activates blob with external location immediately, skipping the saving status. We have saving status and active status for blob in case of internal. Now, when user wants to download this blob, Glare returns 300 and redirects user request to external URL. When user deletes his artifact, Glare won't remove this external data. Let's use now the download command. We can see that we have here the image that we have just uploaded. So the image was downloaded successfully from Launchpad, not from Glare's local store. Now we want to demonstrate how to work with tags in Glare. Adding tag to your artifact is pretty simple. Glare provides several means how to do it. First of all, you may specify a comma-separated list of tags when you create your artifact. Let's try it. As you can see, we put tags ABC, and we can see that our artifact was created with those tags. Small reminder: -L flag is used when you want to define the list property. -D is used for dictionaries. To add or remove individual tags from list, use the command add tag and remove tag. Let's first use the first one, the add tag. We can see here that we added the tag new tag for artifact type image and name. The name of the artifact was image tags. Here we can see the new tag that was added. Now let's try to remove the A from here. So now we can see that A is missing. To update the whole list of tags and replace them by new values, use the command update. Let's update with the tags 1, 2, 3. And we can see here the tags of 1, 2, 3. To erase all tags, just specify tags as property for remove. So it will be -R for remove tags. Now our list of tags is empty. To filter image by tags, use filter tags and tags any. For example, list images -F for filtering, tags any equals 1. That will bring you all the images that have the tag 1. In the next section, we will see how to set links to other artifacts. Link is an attribute, or more precisely, it's a field now. It has been refactored from attribute to field. Let's do a small jump to the code. We have backward compatibility, so both attribute and field are both perfect. In general, glare artifact composed from field, and each field composed from properties. Let's continue. So we said that link is a field that defines soft dependency of the artifact from another artifact. In general, link is an URI that allows user to obtain some artifact data. There are two types of link, external and internal. Internal link is a link to artifact in the same glare catalog. External link is a link to artifact in another glare. For external link, the format would be http://netlocation/path. For internal links, its value contains only /artifact/artifact type/artifact identifier. To add a link to an artifact, the type has to have related field in its description. In the next example, we will add a link from heat template to heat environment. Let's create heat template artifact with the name iTemplate. You can see that this artifact has field name with the name environments with the type link dictionary. We are going to use that. Let's create now another artifact of heat environment with the name myEnvironment. Since there are two local artifacts, the link will be internal. Let's create now a link between the two of them. Let's create a link from heat template to heat environment. So we remember that our heat template with the name myTemplate has a field with the name environment, which is a link dictionary. MyEnvironment will be the key, and the path will be artifact heat environment and identifier. The identifier will be myEnvironment identifier that we can see here. We can see here in the field environments that we have that link. It is imperative that artifact existed at the time of link creation. If we try to set link to non-existent artifact, glare will return a bad request. For example, let's try to do it. Let's try to set a link to not existing artifact. This ID is fake, it's just something random. And we got bad link in artifact. Glare does not validate that link exists after creation. Artifact may be deleted and link will be broken after that. Let's delete the heat environment with the name myEnvironment. And the link to myEnvironment still will be in environments as before. Finally, we will demonstrate how to upload files in folders. In the previous demo, we saw how to upload simple blobs and what options Glare provides for that. Specifically, the name of this demo was Create Artifact. Uploading files in folders is made on the same principle. We have already have our heat template with the name iTemplate, so let's upload several files inside its folder. Nested template. So nested templates is a field. Now let's upload. Notice that here 1.yaml will be the key inside the folder or inside the blob dictionary. Here this 1.yaml will be location for local file that we have already in our computer. -c is for content type. Let's upload another file with the name 2.yaml, and the path for this file will be also 2.yaml. And now let's add an external location by using the location command. The key in the blob dictionary or in the folder will be hello world. We will put the URL, and we will add MD5 checksum. Now we have a folder with 3 files inside, and they can be accessed by direct API call. Easy, isn't it? Let's access it and even download it. So let's download the hello world. We want to download from the folder nested templates, specifically the hello world YAML. And we want to download it so it will be with the name hello world.yaml in our computer. Also, let's do LL and see. Awesome, we got the file. It was downloaded successfully. In this demo, we saw several additional Glare features, working with external locations, tags, links, and folders. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for next demo, where we will show how Glare is able to validate and convert uploaded data. Thank you, have a great day!